Hi guys, looks like today we will be having a nude video. N.U.D.E meaning New Ukulele Day Excitement. So we will unbox this new ukulele that has just arrived. Oh. So I have recently ordered, as you have seen from my past videos, I already have a lot of ukuleles. So I have a concert soprano and then a tenor ukulele. So I've been thinking a lot early this year, why don't I give a try, or why don't I try a baritone ukulele. So I got this, a Kohala. They taped the box. Anyway, it's okay. Let's see if there's a logo here. Yeah, so I have to hand it to the seller. The ukulele is very packed tight, and too bad they tape on the boxes, so yeah, there's a lot of bubble wrap. I'll take care of that later. So I got a Kohala Kine'o series baritone ukulele. So there, Kohala. I'm so excited. This will be my first ukulele from Kohala and my first baritone ukulele. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, so too bad they put tape on the box so the words were obscured. But at least there's the logo. Kohala. And then the ukulele is on front. So there's a booklet containing the basics of a ukulele, which basically is the same as that of other ukuleles. But of course, the difference is the chords are different for the baritone ukulele. So it's wrapped with foam. So here's the baritone ukulele. So of course it's not yet in tune. So I will tune this first and then we will go back for the first impressions. Okay. So I'm back and I have already tuned the Kohala Kine'o Baritone ukulele. So since it's a baritone, it's different from other ukulele when it comes to tuning, in such that the strings are the same tuning as the bottom four strings of the guitar, which means it's D, G, B, E. So the chords are different when as compared to ukulele. So here's the headstock, and then it came with vintage gear tuners, which does the job. I tried pulling the strings, breaking them in, and after doing that, it stays in tune, so it does the job. So the ukulele is made of linden body, and I'll assume that it's a laminated, and then the fingerboard and the bridge is made out of poplar. So here's how it sounds. So this is the G, then C, sound is very much thicker and lower as compared to ukuleles. So for comparison, here's a tenor ukulele, then here's the baritone. So see how much bigger the baritone ukulele is. Now here's a soprano ukulele as compared to the baritone. And then the concert ukulele as compared to the baritone. So this baritone ukulele is good for those who used to play guitar because the chords are basically the same. And in fact, for those who are looking for a much lighter instrument and who play guitar, who travels much, and who doesn't really concern themselves with the bass notes of the guitar, this can actually be used to play guitar songs without the bass lines. So what's in the box? So this is the box. So it's printed, unlike some ukulele brands that comes with simple corrugated boards. Inside the box, you'll get a booklet, and it has chords for the ukulele and a few chord progressions for you to practice with. So overall, this Kohala Kine'o Baritone Ukulele is good for an entry-level ukulele. For its price point, which is $80, $80 US dollars, I like the workmanship of this. I like how it is made. It's playable out of the box after you tune it. And it's actually hefty, and it's worth the price. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels very premium. So for its price point, it's well worth the money. So once again, here's the Kohala Kine'o Baritone Ukulele. Sounds good. Looks like I'll have a lot of fun playing this baritone ukulele. So that's my first impressions on the Kohala Kine'o Baritone Ukulele. For those who are thinking of trying a baritone ukulele, this is a very good entry-level ukulele. It comes at a good price point with good workmanship and good sound.